Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best baking cooling rack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any baker's kitchen, playing a crucial role in achieving that perfect crispiness and preventing soggy bottoms on your delicious creations, ensuring your cakes, cookies, and breads cool evenly and maintain their ideal texture without sticking or breaking, making it an indispensable asset for both novice bakers and seasoned professionals alike. Number 5. Checkered Chef Cooling Rack Set of 2. Elevate your baking and cooking experience with this essential kitchen tool. It's designed for both cooling your delicious creations and roasting foods to perfection. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these racks are built to withstand high oven temperatures. Cleanup is a breeze, just pop them in the dishwasher when you're finished. Measuring 8 by 11 inches, these racks are designed to fit most standard ovens and baking sheets. Use them over your pan to elevate food, promoting healthier meals by keeping it away from excess fat. Enjoy worry-free use thanks to their no-war construction. These durable racks remain stable and reliable, even under heavy loads or high heat. Featuring a perfectly spaced grid pattern, these racks prevent smaller items like cookies from falling through. This design also ensures excellent airflow for even cooking and cooling. This set includes 2 versatile cooling racks, giving you the flexibility to bake or cool multiple items at once. Maximize your kitchen efficiency with this convenient pair. What we like. This set offers great value with 2 racks included, making it perfect for simultaneous baking or cooling. If you often bake in batches or need to cool multiple items at once, this is the ideal choice for you. Its oven-safe and dishwasher-safe features also ensure convenience. What people say. The cooling rack is made of sturdy stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. Its grid design allows for even air circulation, which helps baked goods cool down quickly and prevents sogginess. The rack is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for baking and cooling. Number 4. Wilton Excelle Elite 3-Tier Cooling Rack. Introducing the Wilton Excelle Elite 3-Tier Cooling Rack, your ultimate baking companion. It's designed to perfectly cool batches of cookies, cake layers, or finger foods. Crafted from sturdy steel, this rack is built to last. Its versatile design makes it ideal for cooling cookies, cakes, and bread with ease. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick surface. Just wipe away any crumbs or residue, and it's ready for your next baking project. Achieve superior baking results with its unique grid pattern. This promotes even cooling and prevents your baked goods from becoming soggy. This essential kitchen tool isn't just for cooling treats. You can also use it for roasting vegetables or dehydrating fruits, making it incredibly multi-purpose. Maximize your kitchen space with its compact design. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, making storage simple when not in use. What we like. Maximize your counter space with this innovative 3-tier cooling rack. If you're short on space but love to bake a lot, this is a game changer. Its non-stick surface also makes cleanup a breeze. What people say. The cooling rack is made of stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and durable. It has a non-stick coating that prevents food from sticking and makes cleaning easy. The grid design allows for even air circulation, ensuring baked goods cool quickly and evenly. Number 3. Ultra Cuisine Heavy-Duty Cooling Rack. Experience superior baking and roasting with our professional-grade stainless steel cooling rack. Its sturdy design and small holes ensure even airflow for perfect results every time. Cleaning up is a breeze with this rack. Made from 100% stainless steel, it's completely dishwasher-safe and built to last without rusting or flaking. This rack is incredibly versatile, perfect for roasting, baking, grilling, and more. It's oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a go-to tool for all your culinary adventures. Designed to perfectly fit standard quarter-sheet pans, this rack is an essential addition to your bakeware collection. Its dimensions ensure a snug fit for all your baking needs. Get inspired with a complimentary recipe ebook packed with over 100 delicious recipes. Elevate your cooking and baking with this lifetime investment. What we like. Experience professional-grade quality with this heavy-duty stainless steel rack. If you're a serious baker who demands durability and precision, this is the one. Its small holes prevent even delicate items from falling through. What people say. This cooling rack is made of stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and durable. The grid design allows for even air circulation, ensuring baked goods cool quickly and evenly. It is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel Cooling Rack Set. Experience superior durability with our heavy-duty stainless steel cooling racks. Designed for professional-grade use, they ensure food safety and longevity. Achieve perfect results every time. The sturdy wire grid and 1-inch height provide optimal airflow for even cooking, cooling, and roasting. Enjoy effortless cleanup. These racks are 100% stainless steel and dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about rust or flaking. Expand your culinary possibilities. They are oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for roasting, baking, grilling, smoking, and drying. These racks are designed to perfectly complement your standard half-sheet pans. They are the ideal addition to any bakeware collection. Get inspired with over 100 recipes in our complimentary ebook. Bake like a pro with these versatile and reliable kitchen tools. What we like. This set of 2 racks is designed to perfectly fit half-sheet pans, offering ample cooling space. If you use half-sheet pans regularly for your baking, this set is a perfect match. The tight wire design ensures stability for all your baked goods. What people say. It's a good size for my baking sheets. The wire rack is sturdy and doesn't bend under the weight of baked goods. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 1. Hiware 2-pack stainless steel cooling racks. Crafted from superior, food-grade stainless steel, this rack is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle heavy loads without bending or breaking, providing reliable support for all your baking needs. Cleaning up is a breeze with this rack. It's completely dishwasher safe, and even hand washing is simple. Just a quick soak and a gentle scrub will have it looking like new. Its thoughtful design elevates your food, allowing for optimal air circulation. This results in perfectly crispy baked goods every time, far superior to simply placing them flat. With a high heat resistance up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, this rack is incredibly versatile. Use it in the oven or on the grill for roasting, baking, or even as a drip tray to achieve that perfect crispy crust. Measuring 10 by 15 inches, it's designed to fit perfectly inside standard half-sheet pans. This convenient size is ideal for both home baking and professional use, handling larger quantities with ease. What people say. This cooling rack is made of stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. The grid design allows for even air circulation, ensuring your baked goods cool quickly and evenly. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.